Okay, we are going to talk about the Materials Advanced within Vizrt Artist 3. And the MA tab within the server, or the Materials Advanced tab, allows us to combine a material and an image and save it as a Materials Advanced. Let's demonstrate. We're going to go into our built-ins. We're just going to grab any type of built-in object. In this case, we'll just use a cylinder. I'm going to go back into my server. First, we're going to click on the M tab within our server to go to our materials. You can see here we have several materials, and I'm just going to select this blue one. I'm going to drag it down onto my cylinder. I'm next going to go into my images. We have several images here. I'm going to use this reflective silver image onto the cylinder. I'm going to drag it onto the container. I can click on the image here to go into the image editor or texture editor, and within the texture editor we can change our mapping. We have our vertex, linear, reflection, spherical, cylindrical, and cube. I'm just going to select reflection on here. You can use whichever you want. You can make any adjustments to the scaling, rotation, and other things if need be. If we just rotate this a little bit and we go into our cylinder and we'll just increase the hole here, we can kind of see what type or what this image / material looks like within or on our cylinder. Now, if I want to save this combination of material and image because I may want to use it within another scene, we can do that. We can save it within our Materials Advanced tab. And to do that, we just come down onto our container, we right click, and we can say Merge to Materials Advanced, and it creates this icon here. So now we can slide this icon up into the MA tab and just give it a name. I'm just going to call it 1. We'll hit enter, and now it creates this icon or symbol thumbnail within our MA tab or Materials Advanced tab within the server. If we go ahead and just close this scene out altogether and then go back into our built-ins and or open a new scene here, and we want to use this same Materials Advanced within it, we can just come back into our server into the MA tab or Materials Advanced tab, and here you can see that we have our Materials Advanced that we just saved, and we can slide this down onto our container and it combines that material and image. And if we want to access both of them, we can just right click on this container again and say Split Material Advanced, and now we have access to each individual part, the image and the material. So that's how you use the Materials Advanced within Vizrt Artist 3.